Hello students, let us see this question here. Right, a rocket of mass m is launched vertically from the surface of Earth with initial velocity v, assuming the radius of Earth to be capital R and negligible resistance. The maximum height attained by the rocket above the surface of Earth. So apply the energy conservation here. Applying energy conservation. So initial energy will be 1 by 2 m into v square, that is kinetic energy, and at the surface of Earth potential energy will be equal to minus g me into the mass of rocket upon Earth, that is radius of Earth, that is capital R. Okay, the mass of, right, the rocket is having the mass of capital M, and mass of Earth I am taken here me, and R is the radius. So this is the initial potential energy. Finally the kinetic energy will become 0, so 0 plus, but the potential energy will be there, and that will be minus g m e upon m upon, suppose the height is h, so R plus h. So from here I can say 1 by 2 m v square is equal to, I can take this one this side, so that will become g m e into m, that will come as common, and that will become 1 upon r minus 1 upon r plus h. So that will be there. Okay, now if I multiply both, right, if I multiply this, right, if I divide this equation by r square and multiply here with r square, and this m will get cancelled out, so finally I will get v square upon 2 is equal to, and g me upon r square is nothing but small g, that is from the option I am seeing, so this will be equal to a small g, and that is coming, right, and this will, and this r square will multiply with this, so that will become r minus, right, r minus r square plus r plus h. Okay, so now the r can be taken as common from this side. Okay, so r I can take the common from here, so that will become v square upon 2 is equal to zr, and that will be 1 minus 1 upon r plus h. Okay, so from here this can be taken this side, so v square upon 2zr is equal to, right, this will become 1 minus, so I can do this calculation here, so that will become r upon h, and that will be r plus h minus r, so that is v square upon 2zr is equal to, this will get cancelled out, it is coming h upon r plus h. I can do the reciprocal both sides, so that will become 2zr upon v square is equal to, and this will become r plus h divided by sorry, r plus h divided by h, right. I need some space here, so I will do some, so I am making the some space free, so I'm coming back to this side, so that will become 2zr upon v square is equal to right, this will become r upon h plus 1. So 1 can be taken this side, right, so that will become 2zr upon v square minus 1 is equal to r upon h, right. Once again I do right, I am doing the reciprocal both side, so that will become 1 upon 2zr upon v square minus 1, and this will become h upon r. So r can be taken this side, right, r I can take this side, so that will become r, and this I need to omit here, so the h is coming this. So this is the value of h. So let us smash with the options here. So r divided by 2zr upon v square. See, right, option 4 is matching here, r upon 2zr upon v square minus 1. So option 4 is there. Okay students, I hope you understood this question.